Raise the prices, raise it 2 times. No cap, these girls be the new vibe. We don't like suicide, so the doors fly. She said I hurt her feelings 52 times. Call her queen, Nikki. The queen can't.
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. So today it's a haul, y'all. I've been buying stuff for a hot little second. Some stuff I've already used, put it up, but I was like, you know what, since you need to give them a haul, they deserve it, and I think y'all do. So if you want to see what I picked up for the Sephora Vib sale, I picked up some stuff from the Ulta 20% off sale, Dose of Colors, as well as Macy's. Then keep on watching. Okay, so here is all the stuff that we hauling today, y'all. It's a box full of stuff. Some stuff ain't got nothing to do with the Sephora box. And I got this big old Dose of Color situation. So we gonna, we gonna get this started. Let me put this down. So first off, from the MAC collection, I picked up some things from their holiday collection, the Shiny Little Things collection. If you don't know, MAC comes out with the holiday collection every year. So I try to pick up a few things, not everything, because I don't need it all. First thing I picked up were the 2 lip gloss sets. I got this from the Nordstrom website. I've already used the nude set. Yeah, this is the nude set and this is the pink set. So they both are 4 like mini glosses a piece. And I love these for the holidays because they give you shades that they don't normally have. And you have the option of either going nude or pink, or I think they had another one, bronze. That may have been the glitter. But I love picking these up and putting these in my kit, having them for myself, whatever I want to do. But I picked these up. This one is the nude collection. I have already used one out of this collection. This first one is Glass Hill. It's a very shimmery, like glittery shade. So it's just a really glittery, sheeny, goldy type of lip. This next one is called On the Eve. This one is called Tinsel Seeker. I love mauve colors like this. Like, I love glosses like that. And then this last one I really love. It's like a metallic. It's called Lost Invite. That's called Invite Lost. And that's this shade here. Beautiful, beautiful. This next one is the pink set, which I haven't opened, so I'm going to go ahead and open now. So this first one is like an iridescent pearl pinky looking shade. It is called Snow Petal. It's a really, really gorgeous shade. I love a good gloss. There's this pink glittery shade called Prezi. I don't know if that means present or what, but excuse me. That's like, it's super pink glitter, like in your face, like plenty. This next shade is Soar, and it's a very muted mauve color. It's pretty cute. And then this last shade is Mingling, which is this really like very, very cute burgundy shade. So those were from the pink and nude lip gloss kits. Another thing that I picked up from the MAC holiday Shiny Little Things collections is this. It's like a highlight. It's called a Glow Getter kit in gold. This one has a mini Whisper of Guilt, a mini strobe cream, as well as a mini short handle brush. And I thought this was pretty dope. I love my Whisper of Guilt highlighter, but it is kind of big and it's kind of gaudy because it's in that holiday packaging from last year. So I love that they came out with this. And this, I got this off of Nordstrom because they had like certain gift sets that the actual MAC website did not have. Next, from Macy's, I picked up 2 items from the Aaliyah collection because they were having an additional 15% off of like all beauty. So this is all I picked up because this is all I need. I got an extra Try Again lipstick. I wore this to the natural hair event. I actually have a video coming up on that event, but this is a very muted brown. It's a gorgeous color. I wore it that day and I knew I needed an extra one, so I got that. This next one is the Nevermore lip liner, and it's like a really black, like looks purple but it's black lip liner, and I've been wanting it for a while, so let me show you what that looks like. It looks like Night Moth but deeper a little bit. So And I got a replacement for the lipstick because I knew once it was gone, it was gone. So I said, let me get an extra one of those. So from Ulta, they were having a 20% off anything sale. So I picked up just a few items. Every time I go into my Ulta store, they have like different or new Morphe items. So I picked up some of the lip glosses. I have the shade Flower Crown. It's actually in my purse already. Sorry, y'all. It's already in my purse. So I picked up Flower Crown lip gloss. I also picked up the shade Freebird. It's more of a muted brownie nude shade. But I love their packaging. I've been using the Flower Crown lip gloss and I love it. Throw a little brown liner, espresso lip liner, and like it's so beautiful together. I also picked up a L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, as well as a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the shade Cocoa. I love both these items. If I'm using anything at any point in time, I'm using one of these two items. I always set my face with this powder and I put this mascara on unless I'm trying something else. So these are my best friends, to be honest with you. And they were buy one get one 50% off in the store, but online they had a different sale, so I'm not really sure how that works. Also picked up this Glitter Goals by NYX in the shade Polished Pinup. And I saw that Joe Michelle Pro used this on Tamia when she did her makeup, and her eyes look so dope, y'all. I had to try this. This is basically just like a glitter eyeshadow, so I got that. And the last thing I picked up was the Juvia's Place Nubian Loose Highlighter in Nefertiti. I really was so glad they came back in stock with these because they had ran out of stock at the store. But I didn't want to order it online. I wanted to get it from the store. So here's the highlighter. And I think it's so, like, I love the highlighter packaging for Juvia's Place. And I want to try it on, y'all. So I have some in this cap, and as y'all can see, it's like not a lot. So I have what do I have on right now? Beaming Blush by MAC. Ooh, wait a minute, girl. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Oh, wait a minute. Oh shit. I need to find somewhere to go, baby. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? I need to find somewhere to go, honey. Wow. I need the other powders. Okay, y'all, that was everything that I picked up from Ulta. That highlighter just threw me off. I wasn't ready for that. I hadn't even tried it on. I just bought it looking at what I had. Oh Lord Jesus. Okay, y'all, next from Sephora, I picked up a few things. We just had the Sephora Vib Rouge sale and I had to take advantage of this. Is it leaking powder in here? Oh my god. Okay, first thing I picked up is the Virgin Marula Luxury Oil by Drunk Elephant. Sis, this shit is expensive. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is expensive. This ain't even like oh, I can handle that expensive. It's like, that's all I get expensive. You feel what I'm saying? So this is 0.5 fluid ounces of this marula oil. Now, lately, every night I put on the Farsali, it's the black bottle. Which one is that one? I put that on my face every night. I know that oil combats oil, so I put that on my face every night to like basically absorb any type of dryness. It's cold outside, sis. You need to moisturize more. If you drier, it's because it's cold outside, girl, okay? So I purchased this oil because I heard so much about it and I can't wait to use it. This is how tiny this shit is. This is how tiny this shit is. Do you see this? Little baby, little baby, little baby. So I picked that up so I can try out that oil versus the Farsali oil that I've been using. And I'll let y'all know how I like it. But I've been really into skincare. Like, I've been really trying to take care of my skin. I use soaps from summerrain.com. If y'all have not checked my sis out, y'all need to check her out, because when I tell you her soaps are dopeness, they're dope. Okay, next I picked up this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. Y'all, I wasn't gonna get this. I got this in the shade Kunafa. I wasn't gonna pick it up because she was being shady or whatever to Beauty Bakery, and I didn't like it. But every video I saw, they love this powder, so I picked up the shade Kunafa. It's in this square packaging. It is a yellow powder. It reminds me of Sasha Buttercup's banana powder. I like the look of it, I'm gonna say that. Next, I picked up this Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze in the shade Glitzy. It's another highlighter, y'all. I can't help it. Ooh. Look at this, y'all. This is some fancy shit. Wipe this out. Oh my, this up. Oh my god, girl. Ooh. So it comes with this full-size mirror. Oh my god. Here is the highlighter. Like, girl, I like highlighters or whatever. So yeah, this is a highlighter. I love the packaging. Like, I would just display this just to be displaying it. Like, sis. Next item that I picked up was the Pat McGrath palette. So this one is the Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette. I struggled back and forth with these palettes trying to figure out which one I wanted to get, which one I was going to spend my money on, and I decided on this one because of the shades. I felt like it was a crease shade, a deepening shade, lid shades, outer V shades that I could use. So I picked this up. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the packaging. It's not the cutest. This ain't the cutest, because I've seen other like palettes from Pat McGrath and they look doper than this. So this is cute. It has these shades in it. I really am excited about this shade here in the middle. I think for the price of it, it should have the shades underneath the eyeshadows and not just like, you know, it's cool, but it does have a mirror as well. So I can take this with me and travel or whatever, and it'll be all good. So I picked this up. Again, this is the Pat McGrath Bronze Temptation palette. Again, the packaging is not all that. I'm sorry. The next item I picked up is from Huda Beauty as well. This is her new nude palette. Sis, I did see a couple of videos and I was like, honey, try this out. So this is what the front of it looks like. This is the inside. It has a full-size mirror here. This is the sleeve that comes in it, and it is just gorgeous, y'all. I love tones and shades like this. I can't wait to use this. If y'all want to see me do a look on this palette, let me know and I'll get that to y'all. I'm not really good with swatches, so I'm not gonna bore you with those. I'm just not. I mean, my swatches are boring. You want to know why my swatches are boring? Because I got swatches like this on the back of my hand. Like, I don't got nothing going on my arm, nothing like this. So yeah. Next thing I picked up from Sephora sale is the Artist Couture highlighter or luminizer, I'm sorry, in the shade Honey Dip. Y'all, I saw this and I was like, Lord, that is so gorgeous. I didn't even swatch it. So here is the packaging. This is so gorgeous. Again, this is the shade Honey Dip. I got a couple of samples. I got the Milk Kush mascara in a sample. Also got a NARS lip Power Make Lip Pigment sample in American Woman. And then I also got a Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Like it's like a moisturizer. So I picked those up with my 100-point perks. Another thing from Ulta I picked up is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. This is in the shade F17, and I think it'll be an awesome shade to contour with. I did order the actual foundation shade, so maybe I'll do like the foundation and the contour shade for that particular stick foundation because I like Makeup Revolution. Lastly, I wanted to show you all this Dose of Colors Vault collection that I picked up. I got this on the best deal from Ulta. It's actually unbelievable. Y'all have no idea, but I wanted to show you all this collection. I did already play in the Pretty Cool eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $109, and each palette is $32 a piece, so that's like a steal. So I picked up all 5 of these eyeshadow palettes. They also have a new eyeshadow palette called Pretty Cool, I think. No, not Pretty Cool. Snow Angels. I need to pick that up. So this is pretty cool. It's a really cool one. They have Baked Browns, Marvelous Mauves, Sassy Siennas, and Blushing Berries. I have been trying to make up my mind about which of these that I wanted to pick up for so long, and she came out with a holiday collection with all 5 of these, excluding the brand new one, and I had to pick it up. I had Ulta points, baby, and I had a 20% off code, so I was like, sis, go ahead and snatch that up. So I picked this up. If you all want to see eyeshadow looks with any of these palettes, let me know. Again, it's 5 different ones, so I think it's pretty awesome. I'm not even gonna lie, I love it, love it. So sis, that is everything I picked up. I'm pretty sure I have more than that, but like I said, it was a couple of things that I had already used, so I didn't want to throw them out there like that. If y'all have any questions about any particular product, even if I didn't show it on my channel, let me know and I'll figure it out. You get what I'm saying? I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. I mean, it may not be every week, sis. I'm just not that productive. I'm sorry, but if you want to see things that I upload, go ahead and hit the notification bell and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy the content that I produce. I really work hard on it, even if it's, you know, few and far in between. But like I said, if you have any suggestions, just leave them down in the comment section, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye, beauties.
Do you love me? Why you crying? She don't wanna be a queen unless she got me.